go. Oh no. That doesn't sound good. Hey, what's up guys? I'm back with another vlog today. Today is a particularly exciting day for me because today is the day I'm going to be finally building my new PC. I've spent a few weeks gathering all the parts. The GPU was especially hard to get, as some of you may know if you're following PC trends or it's been in the news as well, but due to the large amount of Bitcoin miners and the microchip shortage, GPUs are extremely hard to come across. I had to stand in a very lengthy line on Black Friday to be able to get my hands on a GPU. I was lucky enough to be able to get a 3070, which is what I'm going to be using for my build today. Anyways, I've been badly in need of an upgrade. I was using a PC that I had back in high school. It had a RTX 960, which is an extremely outdated graphics card by today's standards. So yeah, this is what I've been rocking with for the past 6 years, I want to say. It's a pre-built from iBuyPower. Anyways, I'm really looking forward to this upgrade. I have recruited two of my good friends who have been kind enough to help me with this build, and they should be here shortly. So without further ado, let's get to it. We got Nathan and Dan today. Ooh. Help me out. Okay. This is really a circular. There we go. Travel. Yep, you're good. Can you open this? Oh, sick.
Oh my.
Oh my.
Yeah, try it out.
Well, you're gonna have to take these long screws, go through here, and then screw the radiator onto the 8 holes here.
Wait, let me get it from this end.
Yeah.
Quick lunch break. This is the real gem here. Yeah, I want to catch up.
Liquid gold.
Yeah, that should be good.
You know what? Let me zip tie these.
Alright, there we go.
All right. Moment of truth. Here we go. Oh. Oh no. That doesn't sound good.
There's the CPU cable that was touching. Oops. Alright, now we're good. Okay,
Alright, delete that shot, delete that shot.
Alright, the real moment of truth. Take two.
Take two. Oh. You don't even hear it.
Yeah, no, nothing hitting against the fan, that's good.
Clean.
So it took about 3 to 4 hours, but we were finally able to finish the build. I'll put all the specs in the description below if you're interested in checking out exactly what went into the build. Anyways, here's the finished product.